Hi everyone. Today we are going to make a very simple recipe, just a bread roll. There are heaps of bread rolls in market, but I'm going to make a very simple bread roll. So I have taken 500 grams of plain flour and 1 teaspoon of salt and dry yeast, just 5 grams. Olive oil I have taken 50 ml and water I have taken 300 ml. I want to give a tip is when you're doing any product, especially with bread or any bread items, and if you're using yeast, definitely you need patience because yeast will take to different level because yeast takes more time when it is the room or the kitchen temperature is low, and if the kitchen temperature is warm, it can rise very quickly. Okay, yeast and salt and just mix together and then mix the water and combine all nicely. Add our oil. Your bench with the plain flour and bring it over. Now, very simple, just knead your dough, don't stress too much. And after getting into a consistency, again you need to roll 3 times 10 seconds. Okay, give it 10 minutes break, then count for 10 seconds, then another 10 more minutes, give a break, and then again roll for another 10 seconds and give a break for 10 minutes and roll for another 10 seconds. As I said, when you're making bread rolls, very important thing is patience. Okay, and also with yeast, it will take more time to rise as well. It depends upon the room temperature. And if I'm saying you need to wait for 1 hour, like some kitchen might be warm and it can get raised within 45 minutes, or some kitchen might take 2 hours. Okay, don't get scared if it is not raised, but just give a longer time, so definitely you will get a very good result. Depends, you can do in both hands or you can use just the single hand, it's up to you. I rather use both hands, it's more easier. I'm using the same bowl and I'm just going to put this one. I'm going to cling wrap. I'm just going to leave this for 10 minutes, and in 10 minutes again I'm going to roll for 10 seconds. So it's been 10 minutes now. So again what I do, I just take it, and again I dust, and again I roll for another 10 seconds. So each time we do, look at the dough, how nice it is. So again, I'm wrapping up and I'm resting for 10 minutes. It's again 10 minutes done. Again, I'm going to roll for another 10 seconds. You see now, it's getting again nice and moist. So again I'm going to put for final 10 more minutes rest, and then I'm going to roll for another 10 more seconds. Okay, so this is the final 10 minutes have been done, and I'm going to roll for another 10 seconds, and then we will keep it for 2 hours to rise. Yeah. So again, just some plain flour. it's done. And I have nicely cling wrap, and I'm leaving this for 2 hours to rise it. It's been 2 hours now, so look how it rised. Yes, I'm pretty happy with this. So again, I'm just going to make a small rolls, and I'm just going to arrange in a trays, and each roll I'm going to make around 40 grams of each. Okay, now I'm just going to portion it up. Put it in the I'm going to make each to 40 grams. After that, what I do, I just roll a bit, and with this part I'm just going to roll nicely. So you get a nice round here. Same at this part. I'm just going to give the pressure, and if it doesn't look smooth, it's okay, just give a second try as well. So just it's been rolled out, and the measurement what I have given you, we mixed it and we made 40 grams each. So I'm getting around 20 bread rolls, and I will leave this one another 30 minutes to 45 minutes, and just to get a bit more raised, and then I will bake this one. It's been 1 hour. We made little rolls 40 grams, and look at here, how great is it? So nice and soft. So what I have done, a little bit of egg wash, just with 1 egg and a little bit of milk. So I'm just going to apply it on each rolls individually, and I'm baking 160 degrees for 20 minutes. Okay, I have placed in the oven for 160 degrees, 20 minutes. That's the lovely bread rolls is ready, and that's the individual portion. It's just simple, and all you need is a little bit more patience. And if you like this video, please put your thumbs up and share this video to your friends, and also try this one and let me know your feedback in my comments box.